Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best car glass cleaner. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Windex Glass and Window Cleaner. What list of top quality glass cleaners would be complete without a product from Windex? Windex is probably the largest and most well-known manufacturer of reliable glass cleaners in the world, and the Windex Glass and Window Cleaner is perfect for use on automobile glass. It starts working right away to deliver a top-notch streak-free cleaning. This glass cleaner is also an excellent choice for use on multiple surfaces, such as mirrors, sealed granite and marble, stainless steel, UV-protected windows, glass stovetops and shower doors, bathroom surfaces and fixtures, plastic, tile, vinyl, aluminum, and more. With a bottle that's made from 100% recycled ocean-bound plastic, it's also an environmentally friendly option. Be sure to use a lint-free cloth or dry paper towel to get a streak-free finish. Other materials may leave streaky residue behind. It also has a pretty strong scent, which comes from synthetic fragrances and dyes. Pros: works on vehicles and household surfaces. Reliable, consistent performance. Easy to achieve streak-free finish. Little elbow grease required for cleaning. Cons: only ammonia-free Windex is safe for tints. Number 2. Rainx 5071268 Glass Cleaner, 23 ounces. The Rainx Glass Cleaner plus Rain Repellent is the perfect choice if wet weather is leaving your car's windows dirty, muddy, or difficult to see through. This cleaner can get your auto glass sparkling, but it'll take its cleaning power one step farther and help your windows and windshield stay clean even after wet weather strikes. This cleaning product cleans your auto glass with a streak-free formula that's fast and easy to use. After it's been applied, it'll work to repel rain and water by causing any liquids that hit your windows to bead up and roll away. It can prevent and remove everything from road spray to sleet, snow, and ice, keeping your windows sleek and clear with regular use. This cleaner can improve your driving visibility in wet weather, and it'll outsmart the elements by keeping them off your vehicle's glass surfaces. In addition, it'll help prevent and remove sleet, snow, ice, bugs, and road spray from sticking to your glass. It's offered in a 23-ounce spray bottle, and you'll just need a nice dry cloth to apply. This is a great option if you've used Rainx Rain Repellent on your windshield in the past and was pleased with the results. Number 3. Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner. One of the best things going on for the Stoner Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner is that it efficiently removes the thin film that eventually builds up over time because of the accumulation of dirt and other particles emanating from the environment. You can say that this thin film is pretty much like the biofilm that bacteria in the mouth produce on the surface of the teeth. The unique chemical formulation of the Stoner Invisible Glass Premium makes it super easy to break down this thin film without leaving any scent, marks, or any other signs of imperfection on your car's glass. It can be used both on the inside and outside surfaces of the windshield or glass panels. And like the other glass cleaners in this list, folks especially love the way the Stoner Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner easily cleaned any glassy surface without leaving streaks or marks. One of the best parts of this glass cleaner is that it won't leave any residue behind, as long as you use a microfiber cloth. In addition to its many uses around the home, it's an excellent product for cleaning glass, mirrors, and chrome in your car. Number 4. Invisible Glass 92164-2PK Glass Cleaner Window Spray. For an auto glass cleaner that can just about do it all, Invisible Glass Cleaner Window Spray is worth checking out. This 2-pack of 22-ounce spray bottles offers a residue-free formula that quickly removes fingerprints, bugs, and other window smudges. Thanks to this residue-free formula, Invisible Glass Auto Glass Cleaner doesn't leave behind any streaks, and dirt and grime will slide right off a clean surface. The ammonia-free formula is safe for rubber window and windshield seals, and it's also suitable for cleaning window tint surfaces inside a vehicle. This glass cleaner is even safe for applying on mirror and chrome surfaces, which not all window cleaners can say. It would be a very good idea to test it in an inconspicuous area first if applying it to aftermarket tint. A pair of 22-ounce bottles should last an entire summer of detailing unless one practices an almost psychotic level of detailing on their car. There are no soaps or dyes in the formula, according to Invisible Glass, which is why it makes the claim of providing a streak-free finish on windows. Number 5. Invisible Glass 9219432-ounce Cleaner. If you don't like mixing a concentrate, then Stoner's Invisible Glass Cleaner is a good alternative. It comes pre-mixed in trigger spray bottles and aerosol cans, so it is ready to spray and convenient. The cans spray a foamier shot of cleaner intended to cling and not run down windows. To use The Stoner Invisible Glass Cleaner, simply spray and wipe, and this works best with clean terry or microfiber cloth. As is the case with all glass cleaners, it is formulated with no ammonia or ingredients that leave a residue, and the manufacturer recommends it for automotive glass, even though car or automotive are not in the name, for cleaning road grim, bird droppings, pollen, etc. Invisible glass cleans well, with only the worst spots, yeah, things like those dreaded asphalt/sealer spots. Some did use it in conjunction with a clay bar, but I would expect to find this to be the case with all glass cleaners. This product does contain isopropanol, which is flammable, so you should take care to avoid heat, flame, and sparks and store it properly. Also, it may irritate skin and eyes and should not be ingested.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.